Hello students, how are you? Welcome to you in your computer class. Here's our chapter 5 MS Word and our today's topic is inserting text. So if you want to insert text in your document, then you can see a cursor blinking on the blank space. Then click on the blank document and start typing. Click on the blank document and start typing. And you can insert your text in it. And now here is selecting a text. If you want to select a text on a particular line, if you want to select a text on particular line, then first of all you have to put the cursor at the beginning, of the line which you want to select, and then drag the mouse. After that, drag the mouse on the text and you will see that your text will be selected. And now here is deleting a text. So if you want to delete, then you can delete your text with 3 ways. First of all, if you want to delete a letter, then you have to place the cursor. You have to place the cursor of the left of the letter and you have to press delete key from the keyboard. And if you want to delete a word, then first of all select the word that you want to delete and then again press delete key from the keyboard. And if you want to delete whole paragraph, then first of all again you have to select it. You will select the paragraph, full paragraph, and you will press delete key from the keyboard. So if you want to delete a letter, or if you want to delete a word, or if you want to delete a paragraph, here's the way to delete. First of all you have to select all things. If you want to delete a letter, so you will first of all you have to place the cursor on that letter and after selecting you will press delete. If you want to delete a word, so first of all you have to select that word. After that you will click on delete key. And if you want to delete whole paragraph, then you have to select paragraph first of all and you will press delete key from the keyboard.